Welcome students. Let's see the figures of speech of the poem Indian Weavers by Sarojini Naidu. Firstly, see what is meant by figures of speech. It is a figurative or a rhetorical language which is used to enhance the beauty of language. See the first figure in this poem, that is alliteration. See what is meant by alliteration. Alliteration means when an initial sound or an initial letter in a line is repeatedly used, then it forms alliteration. म्हणजे कवितेच्या एका लाईनमध्ये शब्दाचं पहिलं अक्षर जेव्हा एकापेक्षा जास्त वेळा येतं तेव्हा alliteration हा figures of speech होतो. See the first example. What do you weave in the moonlight chill? In this line, sound W is repeated more than one, so it is called alliteration. See the next example. Weavers weaving solemn and still. In this line also, sound W and sound S is repeated more than one, and so it is alliteration. And see the next example also. Like the plumes of peacock, purple and green. In this line also, sound P is repeated more than one, and so it is alliteration. Now see the next figure, that is repetition. When a word is repeatedly used in the line, then it forms repetition. Means म्हणजे कवितेच्या एका ओळीमध्ये जेव्हा एक शब्द पुन्हा पुन्हा येतो, एकापेक्षा जास्त वेळा येतो, तेव्हा त्यामध्ये रिपिटिशन हा फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच होतो. सी द एक्झाम्पल. व्हाईट ॲज फिदर अँड व्हाईट ॲज क्लाउड. In this line, the word white and as are repeated more than one, so it is called as repetition. Now see the next figure, that is simile. When the two different objects are directly compared, then it forms simile. This comparison is shown using with words like and as. म्हणजे कवितेमध्ये जेव्हा दोन वेगवेगळ्या घटकामध्ये प्रत्यक्षपणे तुलना केली जाते आणि ती लाईक आणि ॲज या शब्दाने दर्शविली जाते, तेव्हा सिमिली हा फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच होतो. सी द एक्झाम्पल. ब्ल्यू ॲज द विंग ऑफ हॅल्सियन बर्ड. इन दिस लाईन, द ब्ल्यू कलर्ड क्लोथ is directly compared with a wing of halcyon, and it is shown by as. Now see the next example. Like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green. Here the green purple colored cloth is directly compared with plumes of peacock, and it is shown by like. Now see the next example. White as a feather and white as a cloud. In this line also, the garment, that is cloth, is directly compared with feather and a cloud. Now see the next example, next figure, that is metaphor. When two different objects are directly compared, then it forms metaphor. या ठिकाणी दोन वेगवेगळे घटक आहेत, पण तुलना मात्र अप्रत्यक्ष आहे आणि म्हणून तो काय आहे? मेटॅफर आहे. सी द एक्झाम्पल इन दिस पोएम. हिअर वी वीव द रोब्स ऑफ अ न्यू बॉर्न चाइल्ड. हिअर रोब्स आर इनडायरेक्टली कंपेअर्ड विथ birth or childhood. Then there is another example also. Weavers weaving at break of day. In this line, break of day means, or it is indirectly compared with the beginning of life, and that is childhood. So, there is indirect comparison between break of day and childhood. Now see the next example. We weave the marriage veils of a queen. Here, marriage veils are indirectly compared with youth. Now see the other example. Weavers weaving at fall of night. Here, fall of night means evening. So, evening is indirectly compared with the second stage of human life, and that is youth. Then, the next example in this poem is we weave a dead man's funeral shroud. Here, funeral shroud is indirectly compared with old age, that is death. Now see the next example. Weavers weaving solemn and steel. In this line also, the condition of weavers is solemn and steel, and it is indirectly compared with the condition of mind of old aged people, means the last stage of human life. Then there is interrogation. Interrogation means the question is asked to emphasize the point without expecting answer. Then it is called as interrogation. म्हणजे कवितेमध्ये कवी प्रश्न विचारतो, पण त्या प्रश्नाचे उत्तर मात्र त्याला अपेक्षित असत नाही. अशा वेळेस इंट्रोगेशन हा फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच होतो. म्हणजे कवीनं त्या ठिकाणी प्रश्न विचारलेला आहे आणि त्या प्रश्नाला उत्तर देण्याची आवश्यकता नाही. नाव सी द example of this type in this poem. Here we have many examples, but see the first one. Why do you weave a garment so bright? See here, there is question mark. The question is used only for emphasis and there is no expectation of answer. म्हणजेच हा प्रश्न कवी उत्तराची अपेक्षा न करता मांडतो. म्हणजेच त्या ठिकाणी फक्त एम्फॅसिस म्हणजे कवी वाचकाच्या मनावरती त्याला त्याचे विचार बिंबवायचे असतात आणि म्हणून तो इंट्रॉगेशन या फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीचचा वापर करतो. देन देर आर अदर एक्झाम्पल्स लाईक why do you weave a garment so gay? Then there is other example also. Why do you weave a garment so bright? And here is also a question mark, so it is interrogation. And see the next example, that is what do you weave in the moonlight chill? Here is also question mark and it is a question without the expectation of answer, and so it is interrogation. Okay, in this way we have seen the major figures of speech of the poem Indian Weavers. Try to make it clear yourself and do the best. Okay, thank you.